During one of our yearly events, one of our students who started offering copywriting services shared an awesome win with us. Her copywriting magic transformed one of her clients' businesses, leading to more sales for her clients and recurring revenue for her. But when I asked her if her client wrote her a testimonial, she said no. And this made me realize that many service providers might be missing out on chances to get awesome testimonials even when they're providing a great service. So in this video, I want to talk about a simple way to get powerful testimonials even if your clients are too busy to write one. I'll show you how to make them super easy so it's easy for your clients. But first, let's understand why testimonials are so important for your freelance business. Testimonials convert. It's as simple as that. So think about it. When you're unsure about trying out a new cafe or buying that cool gadget online, don't you often ask your friends or check out the reviews? That is the power of social proof. In simple terms, we all like to follow the crowd. If others are loving it, chances are we will love it too. Those happy customer reviews don't just show that people are loving what you're selling, they also give you some serious street cred in your field. It's like when a friend tells you about an amazing pizza place, and then 3 more friends rave about the same spot. Suddenly, that pizza place is the spot, right? Testimonials are like those friends for a business. They build trust in a very genuine way. Because let's be real, in a world full of flashy ads and marketing, a simple, honest thumbs up from a fellow customer feels like a breath of fresh air. So let's get to the point. And stay till the end because I will share an awesome free resource as well. Now this may surprise you, but the secret to getting great testimonials is to write them yourself. But don't get me wrong, the idea isn't to make it up, but to make the process so easy for your busy clients that they have no reason not to do it. After all, we know best what needs to be said in a testimonial. Yes, this process makes it easier for your clients, but it's also a chance to highlight the parts of your work you think matter most. And to make sure you get exactly what you need, there are a few key questions you can ask. These questions are meant to tell a captivating before and after story, illustrating the main points clients faced when they started working with you and the transformation after. So here are some examples of the questions you can ask clients to get a good testimonial. How did you first learn about our business? What challenges were you facing before we started working together? And what did those struggles mean for your business? With these responses in hand, you can craft a genuine and compelling testimonial. And if you have data to back it up, even better. Everyone loves good numbers. Now, before I share the free resource that'll help you with this, I just wanted to highlight the importance of using them well. Don't let them gather dust, put them in the spotlight, okay? Don't be afraid of showing it off. The main places you need to add testimonials are on your website and social media. Testimonials do a great job of boosting your brand's image and making sure you're seen as an authority in your field. Now, the resource I've been talking about. We created an awesome resource with 10 questions you can ask to get the perfect testimonial. But not only that, we're also sharing templates for you to use. A template to turn those answers into a great testimonial with an example outcome, an email template to ask for reviews, both in a formal and informal tone, and even a template to give your clients when they write this review. Have you noticed? We love templates. So grab your free PDF. The link is in the description below, and check out this video next to find out how you can crush your next discovery call.